readers see as a selfish building, neither of them sees as a proud, modern statement, one they've fought hard for, one where they have resisted compromise with care and with an eye for quality. The Tudor traveller, John Leyland, said that we should be building in time of mind, by which he meant building on the moment, right now, which is exactly what Nigel and the set have done here. They made a 21st century statement, an object building in its landscape setting. And here, the setting, the context, isn't just these buildings either side. It's the river. It's the natural environment around this place. Now, some people will find that kind of statement arrogant. Others, myself included, will find it brave, exciting, refreshing. Outdoor, isn't it? Between 8 and 10 stories. What are you going to do? Live in it? Oh, you just fit in. Oh my God! You should only worry about the fact that